So in this video, we're going to cover the dashboard and generate some reports that will help you manage your fleet. From the left menu, click Reports icon. The first report you're going to see is a Diagnostic Discovery Report, which lists only units with active DTCs at the present time. To view more specific reports, click the drop-down menu beside the Diagnostic Discovery Report and choose the report that best fits your needs. For this demo, let's check out the Excessive Runtime Report. This report displays units that have been running non-stop greater than 500 hours. Sometimes we've even seen units run in excess of 1,500 hours without being powered down. That's a potential warning sign for overdue maintenance. You can sort the report by duration to quickly spot the most critical units. Any unit beyond 500 hours is likely due a factory recommended maintenance. So if you're seeing units that are in excess of 1,000 hours, 1,500, or even 2,000 hours plus, that means these units haven't even been shut down to have the fluid levels checked, much less a service performed. This insight helps you prevent breakdowns before they happen, improves long-term performance, and protects your investment. Remember, always shut the unit down prior to performing any service or maintenance. Another useful report is the fleet report with timestamps. This report has a plethora of parameters you could choose from depending on your actual needs. That covers our quick overview of the dashboard and the reporting mechanism. In previous videos, we also discussed DTCs and lamp statuses, very powerful features that allow you to stay a step ahead and help you manage your fleet. In the next video, we're going to discuss the usage sessions, and we're also going to connect to a unit so you can actually see data and parameters in real time.